In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of monetization using artificial intelligence and how you can achieve it in just 10 hours. We'll break down the essential steps to leverage AI tools that can streamline your content creation, optimize your marketing strategies, and ultimately boost your revenue. With the digital landscape evolving rapidly, quick monetization has never been more crucial for creators and entrepreneurs alike. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding how to harness AI can give you a competitive edge. Join us as we dive into practical tips, real-life examples, and actionable insights that will empower you to turn your passion into profit in record time. Get ready to unlock the potential of AI and transform your financial future. Step 1. Identify your niche and target audience. The first step to successful monetization is identifying your niche and target audience. Start by researching trending topics that resonate with your interests and expertise. This alignment not only fuels your passion, but also enhances your authenticity. Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's crucial to define your target audience. Understanding who they are, their preferences, and their pain points allows you to tailor your content effectively. Utilize AI tools to analyze audience engagement and preferences, providing valuable insights into what resonates most. These tools can help you uncover patterns and trends, ensuring your content meets the needs of your audience. By focusing on a specific niche and understanding your audience, you set the foundation for creating compelling content that drives engagement and, ultimately, monetization. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Using AI tools. Creating high-quality content is essential for attracting and retaining your audience. Leverage AI writing assistants like Jasper or Copypo AI to streamline your script creation process. These tools can help generate engaging and relevant content quickly, allowing you to focus on your unique voice. Once your script is ready, turn to AI video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to polish your visuals. These platforms offer powerful features that simplify editing, making it easier to produce professional-looking videos. Additionally, incorporate engaging visuals and soundtracks to enhance the viewer experience. Captivating graphics and well-chosen music can significantly elevate your content, keeping your audience hooked from start to finish. By utilizing these AI tools, you can create compelling content that stands out in a crowded digital landscape and drives monetization. Step 3. Optimize your video for SEO. Optimizing your video for SEO is crucial for increasing visibility and attracting viewers. Start by researching keywords relevant to your content using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These platforms provide insights into popular search terms that can enhance your video's discoverability. Next, craft compelling titles, descriptions, and tags that incorporate these keywords. A well-optimized title grabs attention, while a detailed description helps search engines understand your content better. Don't forget to include relevant tags to further improve search visibility. Additionally, utilize AI-driven analytics to track your video's performance over time. These insights allow you to adjust your strategies based on viewer engagement and retention rates. By focusing on SEO optimization, you can significantly increase your chances of reaching a wider audience, ultimately driving more traffic and potential monetization opportunities. Step 4. Promote your video. Across platforms, promoting your video across various platforms is essential for maximizing its reach and engagement. Start by sharing your video on popular social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Tailor your posts to each platform to capture attention and encourage shares. Additionally, engage with communities on Reddit or niche forums related to your content. Participating in discussions and sharing your video can drive targeted traffic and foster a loyal audience. Consider using AI tools for targeted ad campaigns, which can help you reach a wider audience based on specific demographics and interests. These tools allow you to optimize your ad spend and ensure your content is seen by those most likely to engage with it. By effectively promoting your video, you enhance its visibility and increase the potential for monetization. Step 5. Monetize your content. Through various channels. Once you've built a solid foundation, it's time to monetize your content through various channels. Start by applying for the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the eligibility criteria, which typically includes having a minimum number of subscribers and watch hours. This program allows you to earn revenue through ads displayed on your videos. Additionally, explore affiliate marketing opportunities relevant to your niche. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales, you can create a passive income stream. Consider seeking sponsorships or collaborations with brands that align with your content. AI matchmaking platforms can help connect you with potential sponsors, streamlining the process. By diversifying your monetization strategies, you can maximize your earnings and create a sustainable income from your content. Step 6. Analyze performance and iterate. Analyzing your performance is crucial for continuous improvement and growth. Start by using YouTube Analytics to assess viewer engagement and retention rates. These metrics provide valuable insights into how well your content resonates with your audience. Pay attention to which videos perform best and identify patterns that can inform your future content. Additionally, gather feedback through comments and surveys to understand what your viewers enjoy and what they'd like to see more of. This direct input can guide your content creation process. Implement AI tools to predict trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify emerging topics and viewer preferences, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve. By regularly analyzing performance and iterating your approach, you can enhance your content and drive greater engagement and monetization. Conclusion. Summary of key points. In this video, we explored the essential steps to achieve monetization using AI in just 10 hours. We emphasized the importance of selecting a niche that aligns with your interests, as well as creating high-quality content that captivates your audience. Promoting your video across various platforms is crucial for maximizing visibility and engagement. Remember, effective monetization involves applying for the YouTube Partner Program, exploring affiliate marketing, and seeking sponsorships. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with others who may benefit from these insights. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel for further learning and tips on enhancing your digital presence. By following these steps, you can unlock your potential for success in the ever-evolving digital landscape.